Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DUST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer a quick explanation video at that link, so go there and I'll explain in detail. Before anything else, I want to actually squeeze down the chart here to offer up a little bit of additional context and, what really has, and this is not some sort of great discovery on my part, but what leads to a very valid question now going forward, and that whole dynamic revolves around the 755 mark. Why is 75 important? Well, a quick trip down memory lane, you can see that didn't hit it exactly, but definitely priced well within that range right there. Went slightly below it, but point being well within that range right there. Bounced actually directly off of it. And then even this morning during that first 30 minutes actually bounced directly off it. The point here being that this was a very important level of support over the past couple of weeks. And today the price is finally broken down below it. And not only that, but separated to the downside from it, which holds value in a couple different situations. First off, just simply from a general charting rule perspective, there's a general rule out there that states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward into Friday and then next week, if there is any sort of attempted bounces back to the upside, 755 is going to be that initial level of resistance that will need to be monitored closely. If the price can get up above the 755 mark, the next key level after that would be that pink line there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average, and that value is currently at $7.68. However, one hurdle at a time. And first off, before anything else, the price just simply needs to bounce. And then if the price can bounce and start to head back upwards, then we'll see if it can break above 75. And then at that point, it makes more sense to talk about that 200 period moving average. But anyway, look at it. Those are going to be the key levels of resistance going forward. And that also now tells us and brings up a very valid question. That question being, is this the start of something bigger? Because this was an important level. That level has been violated. So, are things going to get that much worse? And a very revealing level in regards to that is going to be where the price is currently hovering at. And that is right here at $7.35. That is right where the price has bounced from before. And I'm not saying that, if the price breaks below this level that, the price is for sure headed down to this next area. But my point is that there's certainly the potential there because there just simply isn't any other major areas of support. So if the price does ultimately get a little bit more separation down through 735, the price, it would not be shocking at all to see the price then go down to right around $7.10, which would be that gap close location. So we'll see what happens with it, but still a day left this week, so it'll be interesting to see how this one plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.